Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on your own YouTube channel Finance Reviews. So in this video I will explain the complete market situation of Dent coin. Yeah guys, this is the best coin that I purchased last month, and it will give me almost 220x profit in the last few days. Yeah, so I will explain how it is work, what is the previous situation of this coin, and where it will predicted to go in the next few days. I will completely show you all my purchasing of Dent coin and other prediction that if you want to invest, so either it is good for you or not. So make sure to stick with this video till the end, and also make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell notification and set to all, so you will stay updated with all new upcoming videos. So let's jump into the video. Okay, welcome back guys. So in this video I'm gonna show you what is the situation of Dent coin, which is most of my buying. I almost 20% of my portfolio was invested in that coin. So I will completely explain the overall situation of this coin and show you how much quantity of coins I have and I borrow. So let me show you. This is the situation of the coin currently. It will go to at that trend and that line, and this is the situation. Like, I will buy at very huge a huge price, but last dip in our crypto market will almost lost all of my funds in the dump of Luna coins. So but luckily I have some coins, some other coins already invested in. So this is the situation. So anyways, let's scroll down. It's down and check. Let me show you how much I have. So this is the quantity I have of Dent coin, which is 75,969 coin I have currently in my wallet, which is I all borrow. So if I sell now, the value is almost 93.897 BUSD, which is almost $95. So but I what I invest in this because I will buy this at very high price. So I almost lost 50 to 70% of my funds in this coin because of the recent drop in the crypto markets. Anyways, let's check out the situation. So as you can check out on the graph, this is the situation. Like market will go up a little bit at this point. It will go to it will touch to 0.001542 at this point, and then it will dump. So there is many uncertainty of in the market, because I was thinking to sell that my almost 50% of my portfolio at this point when it will touch to this stage. But due to some reason I will not sell all of my fund, because I want some super pump in the coin, which is almost equal to almost touch at this point, so that I will recover uh, most of my revenue, most of my funds that I already invest at this point. Because my buying, I think my buying was at the high at this point. But if any time the Dent coin will come to this point, so I will recover almost all my fund. But currently, if I sell at this point, so I have only loss, which is I don't want. Because if I hold that coin and there is some good pump was coming expected, and there is a good pump was coming in at this coins, so there is a chances I can recover almost most of most I don't think I will recall all my funds, but I will recover a small portion of that fund, and that I will use to invest and trade for future currencies. So as I have a good quantity of Dent in my wallet, which is equal to 75,969. So this is all about the current situation of the Dent coin, that how much I invest. It is not old, but on performance wise it is a quite good. Like it will start from this, and then on a big dump in the crypto history it will go to that point. So this is not a quite good dump, but this metaverse coin will remain stable, and stable most of the its position, and cannot give a huge dump as like other coins like Luna and others. So this is all about the video. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, make sure to press the like button, and if you have any question or suggestion, make sure to comment below. Thanks for watching. Take